Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of English first of class third. Hope you all are doing good at your home. Students, today in this video I am going to give you lesson number 23 and 26. So not further delay, check out your book and open lesson number 23, story writing. And here are two stories. You can see. First, Thirsty Crow, and the second is The Fox and the Crane. So first of all, I will give you first Thirsty Crow story. Here, once upon a time, a crow became very thirsty. It flew about in search of water, but it could not find it nearby. All of a sudden, it saw a pitcher half full of water, but it could not drink it. It thought of a nice plan. It flew to the nearest mound and returned with a small pebbles in his beak. It dropped pebbles into the pot and flew back to the brink another. In this way, it threw a lot of pebbles into it. At last, the water rose up to the brim and he drank it and flew away. So, students, the moral of the story is where there is a will, there is a way. So, the thirsty crow ने small pebbles के यूज़ से जो वाटर लो था पिक्चर में उसको ऊपर लाया और पिया. So, दिस इज़ द हार्ड वर्क ऑफ द क्रो इन दिस स्टोरी. और जहाँ इच्छा होती है वही हमें रास्ता मिलता है. नाउ सेकेंड स्टोरी. हेयर द फॉक्स एंड द क्रेन. Once a fox invited a crane to dinner. The fox prepared soup and served it in a flat pot. The crane had a long beak and could not drink the soup. Then the crane felt insulted. Now the crane wanted to take revenge. It invited the fox to dinner. It served food in a jar with a long neck. The fox could not eat anything. The crane enjoyed the food and fox goes away hungry. So the moral of the story is, as you sow, so shall you reap. जैसा आप करोगे वैसा आपको मिलेगा. So students, these are the two stories which you have to prepare for your exam. You have to write it neatly. Now come on your next chapter, page 26. Plurals and possessive. The explanation of this chapter you have already got in your live class. So here, this is the plural noun. Plural noun name more than one person, place or things. Example, there are two boats and on the lake at sunset. Now here, possessive noun shows ownership by adding an apostrophes to the singular noun. सिंगुलर नाउन में apostrophe सेट करके जो हम रिलेशन शो करते हैं वो होता है possessive noun. Now here, come on, exercises. Here first question. My mother face lit up when she saw me. So mother's face here apostrophe s you have to add. Next, my father's 3 sisters come to my house. Third, my native country's biggest social problem in poverty. Fourth, people from other countries. Here you can see the plural form you have to write. Had the same fears as I did. Fifth, the 2 tennis players obeyed both coaches. Here you can see players and here apostrophe s. Now come on next. Here, decide whether a plural or possessive noun is needed to complete the sentence. Write correct word on the line. First, 12 geese flew over the lake. Next, my lunchbox handle is blue. Here, possessive noun. Third, the rainbow's color are bright. Is here also possessive noun. Fourth, the bicycle's front wheel was bent. Here also possessive noun. 6 monkeys climbed the tree. Here plural noun. 6th, Vivek's bicycle is brand new. 7th, I love to eat green grapes. Here plural noun. 8th, the book's cover is torn. Here books possessive noun. 9th, $1 equals 100 pennies. Here plural noun. 10th, raindrops splashed our shoes. Here raindrops is plural noun. So student, this way your chapter is over. You have to write it neatly and cleanly. It is sufficient for today. In my next video I will start your revision. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.